Okay, friends. On Monday, we talked about the simple subject. Remember that our example was the adorable pencil was holding a balloon. Pencil is the simple subject, and holding is the simple predicate. We call them simple because it's just the main noun pencil and the main verb holding. Today, I want to talk about the complete subjects and predicates. They are color-coded in these sentences. Every complete sentence has a subject and predicate. However, the complete subject is the simple subject along with any modifiers describing the noun. So we need to ask ourselves, who or what performs the action? Well, in this case, it's the gnarly pirates who perform the action. This is the complete subject. Pirates is the simple subject. The pirates are the main noun in this sentence. Same goes for the predicate. What did the pirates do? Well, they searched for lost treasure. Searched for lost treasure is the complete predicate. It's the verb plus what they're doing, any describing words. And in this case, searched is the main verb or the simple predicate. The second sentence says, the big-eared dog loved her green frisbee. Who or what loved the green frisbee? Well, it was the big-eared dog. So that's the complete subject. Dog by itself is the simple subject. That's the main noun in the sentence. Loved her green frisbee is the complete predicate. Loved is the simple predicate. Loved is the action. The last one says the ice cream cone melted in the sun. Well, who or what melted in the sun? It was the ice cream cone. That's the complete subject. The main noun is cone. So in this case, that's the simple subject. What did the cone do? Well, it melted in the sun. So this is the complete predicate. Melted is the main verb. So melted is the simple predicate. Let's try some of these together, and then I'm going to ask you to do the rest on your own. So this is just a little quick check for Mrs. Bauer to know if you understand. You need to open up your sentences handbook, and I'll show you what page it will be on. Remember, this is what your sentences handbook looks like, and you did the subjects and predicates page on Monday. Today, we're going to do the quick check on subjects and predicates, and then I'm going to give you the grammar challenge to do on your own. If you need to find your handbook, go ahead and pause the video now. All right, let's take a look at number 1. This might be a little bit tricky, but we can do it. It says, Sadie is a very friendly cat. Who or what is this sentence about? Well, I hope you said Sadie. So we are going to make a circle around Sadie because Sadie is the complete subject. But there are also no describing words about Sadie. So Sadie is also the simple subject. So you also need to draw a box around Sadie. There we go. What is Sadie? Sadie is a very friendly cat. Is a very friendly cat is the complete predicate. So in this case, we're going to draw a line underneath that part of the text. Oop. Is the simple predicate because is a verb on its own. So we need to draw a box around the simple predicate, just like we did for the simple subject. There is. Sadie is a very friendly cat. Let's take a look at number 2. I gave the note to Mr. Smith. Who or what is the sentence about? It's about I, and there are no describing words to go with I. So, once again, this is the complete subject, and it is also considered the simple subject. Okay? So we can box and circle the word I. What did I do? I gave the note to Mr. Smith. So gave the note to Mr. Smith is the complete predicate. The simple predicate, you're right. It's just the word gave. Gave is the simple verb. Okay? Let's see if you can do number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. So pause the video here, and then you can play the video one more time to check the rest of your answers. Okay. Number 3 says, Kevin and Jamie sent a postcard from Hawaii. Kevin and Jamie are the simple subject and also the complete subject again. Sent a postcard from Hawaii is the complete predicate. And guess what? I forgot to box out the simple predicate. The simple predicate is just the word sent. That's the verb. Okay? Number 4, Bob is the simple and complete subject. Bought a book from Barnes & Noble is the complete predicate. Bought is the verb, so that's the simple predicate. Number 5 says, the light danced and glistened on the lake. The light is the complete subject. Light by itself is the simple subject. What did the light do? It danced and glistened on the lake. And guess what? In this one, there are 2 simple predicates. I missed one. The light not only danced, but it also glistened on the lake. So we can say that they are both the simple predicates. Okay. If you're finished, I want you to go ahead and try the grammar challenge on the same page.